Over time, we've come to enjoy music by placing a smart speaker in a room. While that's not a bad idea, the speaker often stands out, and the area directly around it can be too loud, while the rest of the house doesn't have enough volume. Installing a pair of large speakers into the ceiling might help clear off the countertop, but it still won't provide the absolute best music experience. This approach is like installing two giant lights in the ceiling. While there may be enough light in the room, standing directly under the beam of light is uncomfortable. At Sonance, we like to think beyond this idea. Just as a great lighting plan provides smooth, consistent light, a great speaker layout provides even, balanced sound. Paying attention to the size, shape, and trim of the lights allows technology to disappear into the architecture. These two ideas combined can deliver a truly magical experience. So, whether music softly accompanies your morning cup of coffee, or you turn up the volume for that special party, you can create just the right mood for any moment of your life. There are thousands of choices for bringing music into any space. Sonance offers audio solutions that are designed to disappear while delivering that magical experience of even, balanced music throughout your home, both inside and out.